In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get all country flags in Google Sheets in just 2 minutes. Whether you're a teacher creating educational material or someone who frequently works with international data, knowing how to incorporate country flags into your Google Sheets can be incredibly handy. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple and seamless process to get this done. First things first, you'll need to open a new or existing Google Sheet where you want to display these flags. If you haven't got one open yet, go to your Google Drive and either select a sheet you want to use or create a new one from scratch. This will serve as the canvas for your flags and any other related data you want to include. Next, you'll need to click on cell B2. This particular cell will be the one where we input a special formula to pull data from the web. You can actually choose any cell you prefer, but for the sake of consistency in our example, we'll stick with B2. Ensure that the cell is selected and ready to accept your input as we proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to introduce some magic into your Google Sheet using formulas. You'll want to type in the following formula exactly as it appears: =image, open parenthesis, double quote, https:// and then ampersand import XML, open parenthesis, double quote, https://n.wikipedia.org/wiki/gallery of sovereign state, flags, double quote, comma, double quote, double /img/@src, open bracket contains, open parenthesis, dot, comma, apostrophe, ampersand substitute, open parenthesis, A2, comma, double quote, space, double quote, comma, double quote, underscore, double quote, close parenthesis, ampersand, apostrophe, close bracket, double quote, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This formula might look complex, but it's ingeniously designed to pull flag images directly from a specified web page source, which in this case is Wikipedia. As you type in this formula, double-check for any typos to ensure it functions correctly. After you've carefully typed in the formula, it's time to execute it. Simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Google Sheets will then process the formula, using the script to access the Wikipedia page and retrieve the image of the flag corresponding to whatever country name you've entered in cell A2. And that's all there is to it. With these few steps, you've successfully populated your Google Sheet with country flags. You can now drag the formula down to apply it to other rows in your sheet, allowing you to fill your entire document with vibrant images of flags from around the world. With just a little bit of know-how, you've transformed your everyday spreadsheet into a powerful tool for visual data. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.